Hey all, so this is July's Craftiosity box. I've had it for a little while, I just haven't had time to do any filming, so it's now July the 31st, so I figured I'd better get it done pretty quick. So we're going to see what's inside today. It's actually really quite a heavy box this week, this month. Isn't that pretty? My favourite colour. So that's your usual card. And then we've got treat your friends, £5 off their first Craftiosity box. I'm assuming that's got a code or something. It has, so if anyone wants a code for this, let me know. And this is what we got. So included in our kit is casting plaster, 3 cups, 3 tea light holders, 3 tea light candles, PVA glue, a stir and sticks, and a pair of non-latex gloves. So this looks like it's going to be quite a bit of fun. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? So in here we've got three tea lights. It might get quite shadowy because the sun's starting to come out again. Sorry about that. And we got our non-latex gloves, which is really handy because my eczema doesn't like it latex so much. And then we've got 3 cups. These are cardboardy style, I believe, not plastic, which is brilliant. We got our PVA glue, white craft glue. It's a good amount there. 125 grams. Wonder if we need all of that. And we got 3 metal tea light holders, candle holders. And here's our stirring stick. So, you know, just basic wooden stick. Best thing for stirring. And then this is what the weight is. I can take it out the bag a bit and you can hopefully have a look. So, see why they have it in the bag. But there you go, so it's ceramic stand, kilogram bag. Hardness is minute 18N MM2. I have no idea what that means, but somebody might. There we go. So that looks quite cool. So the gist of this box, because I think said before, is to make your own candle holders. I'll put it back in properly later. But I don't know if you can see here. So we're going to be making our own candles, and they've done leaf imprints. So it says you could imprint whatever you wanted onto the outside, but that's what we're going to be making. How cool is that? I will film me doing this at some point. You can all have a laugh at me messing up like I did the gold leaf, the copper leaf, sorry. But it was still fun. So we'll give that a go at some point. So I'm actually looking forward to doing that because I've never done this. Considering how many crafts I do, there is quite a few that I've never done, and this is one of them. And it does look like it's going to be really good fun, so I'm quite happy with that, but that explains why the box is so heavy. But we will give that a go. If I can get the lid back out and close it back up. So yeah, actually I really like this box. I'm really looking forward to it. So far I've not had a box where it's a craft that I've done before. Even though I paint, I've not done paint on wood as such. I tend to paint on canvas. So the previous boxes are new to me and this is new to me. So it's actually been really good, and I'm glad that I've decided to get these ones and cancel the little box of crochet because this is really good. So I will see you all soon, and let me know if you want that code. If more than one of you want it, I'll see what the rules are, to whether I can give it to more than one of you or not. I don't know, I'll have to read the little leaflet and see what it says. But I'll see you all later. You take care. Bye.